The exciting story I was telling today is about how to be innovative with technology. We started 2 years ago by saying, okay, how can we make some extensions of Q-Music and Joe, but make also the product more innovative. So what we launched is, next to our main channel Joe, we also made 2 new stations based on the music, Joe 70s and Joe 80s, but also what we do is we have also a full morning show. So the full morning show is coming from the main channel, and we put it also on the 70s and 80s, so people have really the full experience of a radio station. So we use innovation, technology to have a full radio station next to that. And it's really, the results are very good. There is no cannibalization on the main channel, and we see really that it is adding new customers, new listeners, and really appreciate how we attack it and how we approach it.